have in here?
Three Stooges.
Look at that. He's filming me. Hello. Alright. I like how the door and the gate close in different ways. Alright, there's the annunciator. Does it light up anymore or no?
No.
Alright,
Film you?
there's the yeah, film in like the way back corner so you get a view of me and the door.
Yeah, but let me get where you are. I mean, you move.
Where should I go?
Just go like right there. Go.
Wow.
Go to 8, don't go to 9. The leveling on this is finicky.
I went to 9, it was fine.
Oh, Sam's hyper.
Alright,
True.
right. Just don't level
Don't like
anymore.
immediately stop it, then go.
Because I know for absolute fact it can break some of these manual elevators.
Yeah, that's.
Because at one of the manuals I filmed had a sign saying don't do the other direction immediately because it'll break.
2, Sam. Now.
Whoa!
I think that's the best leveling yet.
Look at that. I win.
Take your phone.
Alright, bring us up to 9.
Alright.
And then we'll get out.
But one of us has to bring this back to the lower level. I was the one who got it, so I don't know.
Do you want me to do it?
You'll crash it, Sam.
I won't, I promise. I'll be
No.
careful. Ouch. Ouch.
I'm sorry.
Right on my video. It hurts my feelings. Thank you
I am
guys.
very sorry.
Ouch. I'll remember that. I will. It's beautiful though.
Wait, Sam, I can't see.
Oh, sorry. That sucked.
What the fuck was that?
Oh yeah, make it go down because that's gonna help it get closer to 9. Yeah, that improves it. Jesus Christ.
That's exactly what I did.
I thought you said you were good at leveling these things.
Usually.
Hold on just a second. I want to get a couple pictures.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure. Okay, now you're right.
Oh, there's Sam. It's a card tap for you.
Oh.
I will show you my phone.
Damn, check this out. Oh, nice.
There's the.
Wow. All right. That'll be it for me.